Hi, this is Aaron Lostness, and today I'm going to cover the future tense in Spanish, IR verbs. So this lesson, I'm briefly going to go over the rules, and then we're going to conjugate 10 verbs and practice using them in a sentence. So the future tense, it describes actions that will take place. It uses the infinitive as the stem, and then you put on the appropriate ending, just like the conditional tense. Also, like the conditional tense, there are only 12 irregular verbs, and here they are. For caber, haber, poder, querer, and saber, the infinitive stays the same, but the final vowel of the ending is dropped. For poner, salir, tener, valer, and venir, the infinitive stays the same, but the final vowel is dropped and replaced with a D. And with decir and hacer, it's an entirely different stem. Other than these 12, the rest of them end in this manner. As, a, hemos, and on. Now remember, you keep the verb intact and then you add on the ending, unlike the present, preterite, and imperfect where you take off the IR and you add the ending. You leave the verb intact. So, I will live would be yo viviré. He will leave would be él vivirá. They will open would be ellas abrirán. Now, as you can see, there's a couple of different ways you can use you. If you're familiar with the person, you use tú. If it's a formal situation, you use usted. Okay, so let's practice conjugation. I'm going to put 10 verbs. Some will be irregular and some will be regular. I'm going to conjugate them in the I, you, and they. For you, I'm going to do both tú and usted, so you get practice using both. Decir, to say or tell. Yo diré, usted dirá, ellos dirán. Dormir, to sleep. Yo dormiré, tú dormirás, ellos dormirán. Ir, to go. Yo iré, usted irá, ellos irán. Vivir, to live. Yo viviré, tú vivirás, ellos vivirán. Sentir, to feel. Yo sentiré, usted sentirá, ellos sentirán. Abrir, to open. Yo abriré, tú abrirás, ellos abrirán. Oír, to hear. Yo oiré, usted oirá, ellos oirán. Venir, to come. Yo vendré, tú vendrás, ellos vendrán. Salir, to leave or to go out. Yo saldré, usted saldrá, ellos saldrán. Pedir, to ask for. Yo pediré, tú pedirás, ellos pedirán. All right, let's practice using these in a sentence. They will tell me later, decir. Ellos me dirán más tarde. They will sleep at my house. Ellos dormirán en mi casa. Where will you go? ¿Dónde irás tú? O ¿dónde irá usted? Either one is acceptable depending on how familiar you are with the person you're speaking to. I will live in Colombia with Brandon. Viviré en Colombia con Brandon. She will feel better tomorrow. Ella se sentirá mejor mañana. Who will open the door? ¿Quién abrirá la puerta? I will hear her when she comes. La oiré cuando ella viene. Who will come to the party? ¿Quién vendrá al partido? Or al fiesta? They will leave first. Ellos se saldrán primero. She will ask for money. Ella pedirá el dinero. All right, let's go over a quiz of what we just learned. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to say something like, I will live, you will live, vivir. I'll give you a couple seconds, then hopefully you will say, yo viviré, tú vivirás, o usted vivirá. For the you form, I want you to practice both the tú and usted. I will ask for, you will ask for, they will ask for, pedir. Yo pediré, tú pedirás o usted pedirá, ellos pedirán. She will say, I will say, they will say, decir. Ella dirá, yo diré, ellos dirán. I will leave, you will go out, we will leave, salir. Yo saldré, tú saldrás o usted saldrá, ellos saldremos. I will sleep, they will sleep, you will sleep, dormir. Yo dormiré, ellos dormirán, tú dormirás o usted dormirá. We will feel, he will feel, they will feel, sentir. Nosotros sentiremos, él sentirá, ellos sentirán. You will go, we will go, they will go, ir. Tú irás o usted irá, nosotros iremos, ellos irán. I will hear, you will hear, they will hear. Oír. Yo oiré, tú oirás o usted oirá, ellos oirán. She will live, we will live, I will live, vivir. Ella vivirá, nosotros viviremos, yo viviré. We will open, she will open, I will open. Abrir. Nosotros abriremos, ella abrirá, yo abriré. You will come, they will come, I will come. Venir. Tú vendrás o usted vendrá. Ellos vendrán. Yo vendré. All right, we reached the end of another lesson. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or if you'd like these on your iPhone, email me at alostness@hotmail.com or go to my website. There's about 50 more lessons and workbooks there to help you through them. Thank you.